Here I have KYOCERA Torque G03, and today I'm going to show you how to remove battery from this device. So firstly you have to unscrew this bolt here to remove the back cover. I have already unscrewed it, so I can just remove the back cover. Next you have to remove the second back cover. I'll use a special tool for this. And here she is, battery. Just remove it with your bare hands, and that's how you remove battery from this device. Let's put it back in. Put back covers back on and turn our device on. And as you can see, device works normal. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.